Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how the lock function works on an Electrolux Induction Hob. Same thing will apply to other models. The model number for this one is flashing up on screen now. Don't get this mixed up with child lock. This isn't child lock. This is purely when you've got it on a setting to stop the accidental changing off it. So let's say we turn it on now, and if we want this frying pan of water to be on number 5 and not change from there, then we can just tap the lock button here. And now it doesn't matter what we do here, it's locked. It may beep at you, but it's locked. It will also lock all the other settings as well, so they're all set to 0. So it will stop them from accidentally turning on. Now, if you want to change the setting here, all you have to do is tap the lock button again. The lock light goes out, and now we can change it to whatever setting we want, and we can turn on the other heat settings as well. And if we want to lock it again, we can tap that there, the lock button, light comes on here, and again it is locked. But when you go to turn it all off, that cancels that function, and when you turn it back on again, the lock light is no longer on. So that's how to use the lock feature on an Electrolux Induction Hob. Thanks for watching.